So this one is completing the square continued. I kind of ran out of time there because YouTube only lets you go 15 minutes. Well, we're almost through anyway, so this will be a very short one. This is part 2 of completing the square. And here, I'm going to go ahead and, actually if you got this down, I'm going to erase some of this here. Actually, I can erase pretty much all of this. We're at this point right here. Okay, so we took the square root of both sides. Whenever we do that, we have to do a plus or minus on the other side of x, right? And now, this actually cancels out this square root of x minus 21 over 8 squared. These two are going to cancel out, so now we're just left with x minus 21 over 8 is equal to plus or minus the square root of 1881 divided by 64. Okay. Now what I want to do is I want to add 21 over 8 because I want to get x on the opposite, on the same side. Scratch that. I want to get x on one side by itself. So I'm going to keep the x right here and I'm going to add 21 over 8 here and add it on this side as well, plus 21 over 8. And so what do we get? We have x is equal to 21 over 8 plus or minus the square root of 1881. I'm not sure what that is. And the square root of 64 is just 8. So x is going to equal, x is equal to two different things here, right? 21 over 8 plus the square root of 1881 over 8. And the square root, or 21 over 8 minus the square root of 81 over 8. So x is essentially equal to 21 over 8 plus the square root of 1881 over 8. And x is also equal to 21 over 8 minus the square root of 1881 over 8. Now, if this one doesn't, if this isn't a perfect square, then I would leave it that way. It's exact. It's left in its exact form. And if your math professor doesn't specify for you to approximate it, in other words, put it in the calculator or use another method, then don't do it. You don't want any decimals in it, okay? Unless your professor specifically asks you. So I would leave it like this. Alright, thank you very much. And if you have any questions, please let me know.